Welcome to our presentation of JUDAS, a civil court case management system created by JABA Software Systems. JABA is proud to introduce the development team for the JUDAS system. The current prototype has been a key focus for the team for the past 7 months. The JABA team includes Jennifer Starling as project manager, Angela Reeves as system architect, Bonnie Ellis as database designer, and Amir Youssef as quality assurance manager. The JABA team members designed a prototype web-based application called JUDAS that stores court data. JUDAS was designed for the civil court systems as a tool for managing the details of court cases and assists in the daily organization of court tasks. This large quantity and variety of data relates to appointments, places, documents, and people. All of that information is collected through agents of the court. Then it's processed through the JUDAS system and restructured so users can access it in a useful manner. The JUDAS system provides access for qualified users to civil court cases with the ability to view case details, calendar schedule, and send case correspondence. The simple system design cuts down on production cost, minimizes unwanted behaviors, and allows it to finish on budget. Many court maintenance systems are very costly and are difficult to customize from one clerk's office to the next. JUDAS is a system that has a simple design that lowers cost and is able to meet the specific needs of the clerks by providing all of the basic functionality required for court cases. Here we have the requirements overview. Court case records are identified by unique case numbers, the docketing system created to keep track of the events that occur in a case, the court calendar maintenance schedules cases to be seen before select judges, and the correspondence feature communicates requests for schedule changes. Each court case has a set of characteristics that describe it, like its privacy level, type, and type of case. 3 weeks into development, we were faced with the dilemma of either finding a new web host or switching to a language and development tool that was supported by FSU. We had been using Java and Eclipse IDE. Over a few days, we listed the pros and cons of making a switch from Java, our first choice, to PHP. All group members voiced their views. Some were in favor of a change and were agreeable to either alternative. The structure of the JUDAS application code uses the model view controller design pattern. The model is represented by the JUDAS code that contains the business logic for the application. For each corresponding functional model, such as case, calendar, docket, and correspondence maintenance, we have created separate PHP classes for database access and value objects to hold the business data. The view is represented by the HTML UI screens that the user views in their browser. Each file has PHP scripts embedded in them to call the corresponding controller functionality. The controller layer is represented by the PHP controller classes. By keeping this separation of functionality, JUDAS is more easily maintained and allows for code reuse. Please enjoy the video demonstration of the JUDAS Civil Case Management System presented to you by JABA Software Systems. Future development recommendations: correspondence implementation, task list implementation, user screens for related parties named in a suit that are restricted to view only of cases that are associated with, more in-depth case search, increased validation of user input. Ultimately, the case search will be used to assist in generating reports for the administrators of the system, like finding old open cases from a certain type of court. Having 4 programmers all write their own modules means we each have to be proficient in all languages and markup languages that were used for the program. That redundancy in the learning curve was very noticeable in the 2-week sprints early on. That being said, we don't know if we would have learned as much as we did in any other course.